Imagine a marketplace that opens the door to a global clientele right at your fingertips. That's the power of Fiverr. This dynamic platform is a powerhouse for freelancers around the globe, offering an unparalleled opportunity to earn. With Fiverr, the world becomes your oyster, providing you with access to a diverse array of jobs from clients scattered across the globe. Whether you're a graphic designer, a savvy marketer, a wordsmith, or a coding genius, Fiverr has something for everyone. The platform is teeming with opportunities for those who are ready to tap into their skills and passion. And the best part? The flexibility it provides is second to none. You decide when to work, where to work, and how much to charge. By leveraging Fiverr, you're not just earning. You're creating a lifestyle of independence, freedom, and financial control. So it's time to harness the power of Fiverr and take control of your financial future. To tap into the Fiverr marketplace, your first step is creating a compelling profile. Imagine your Fiverr profile as your online business card. It's your chance to make a first impression, and we all know how lasting first impressions can be. So let's dive into creating a profile that captures attention and convinces potential clients that you're the freelancer they've been searching for. Start off with a clear profile picture. This doesn't necessarily have to be a headshot, but it should be something that represents you or your brand. A clear, high-quality image can do wonders in adding a touch of professionalism to your profile. Next, we move on to the description. This is your opportunity to introduce yourself to potential clients. Be sure to communicate who you are, what you do, and why you do it. Craft your description in a way that showcases your passion, your skills, and your experience. Remember, authenticity attracts, so be real and let your true personality shine through. Now let's talk about showcasing your skills and experiences. Fiverr allows you to list your skills, so make sure to include all that apply. Are you a graphic designer who is also a whiz at SEO? List them both, and don't shy away from mentioning any relevant experiences or past projects. These can help potential clients understand the breadth and depth of your expertise. In addition, Fiverr offers the option to take skills tests. Passing these tests adds a badge to your profile, providing visible proof of your expertise. If you're just starting out and don't have a portfolio yet, these badges can be invaluable in building trust with potential clients. Lastly, don't forget to set your service rates. Be sure to price your services competitively while also reflecting the quality of your work and the value you provide. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up a compelling Fiverr profile. Remember, your profile is your personal brand, so invest time in making it the best it can be. A well-crafted profile is your ticket to attracting clients on Fiverr. With your profile set up, it's time to create your first gig. Launching into the gig creation process, you'll find it's quite intuitive. Start by clicking on Create a New Gig. Here's where your creativity comes into play. Your gig title is your first impression, so make it count. It should be catchy, concise, and clearly communicate what you're offering. Remember, you're competing with thousands of others, so make your gig title stand out. Next, we move on to the gig description. This is the meat and potatoes of your gig. It's where you detail what you're offering, how you'll do it, and why potential clients should choose you. Be as clear and comprehensive as possible. Outline your skills, experience, and what makes your service unique. Don't forget to include what the client can expect in terms of deliverables and timelines. Now let's talk about pricing. This can be a tricky one. You don't want to undervalue your work, but you also don't want to scare off potential clients. Do some research, check out what others in your field are charging for similar services. Consider your experience and the quality of your work. Start with a competitive but fair price. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Finally, there are the gig extras. These are additional services you can offer at an extra cost. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, you could offer a gig extra for expedited delivery or source files. Gig extras not only increase your earnings, but also provide more value to your clients. To wrap it up, preview your gig. Make sure everything looks good and reads well. Do a final spell check and grammar review. You want to present yourself as a professional after all. Remember, a well-structured gig can be the difference between getting hired or being overlooked. So take the time to create a compelling gig that showcases your skills and services in the best light. Your first gig is just the beginning, so make it count. Once you've set up your gig, it's crucial to maintain effective communication with potential clients. Communication, after all, is the bridge between confusion and clarity. It's the foundation upon which successful relationships are built, especially in the world of freelancing on platforms like Fiverr. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of responding promptly. In an age where speed is valued, being responsive to client inquiries is essential. It shows your dedication and commitment to the project. It also demonstrates your professionalism, which can be a deciding factor for potential clients. But remember, promptness shouldn't compromise the quality of your responses. Always take the time to provide thoughtful and comprehensive replies. Secondly, understanding your client's needs is paramount. You must be able to interpret their requirements accurately, even when they might not be able to articulate them clearly. This involves active listening, asking the right questions, and sometimes reading between the lines. By doing so, you're not just delivering a service, you're providing a solution. Moving on, setting clear expectations is another crucial aspect of effective communication. From the onset, be transparent about what you can deliver, the time it will take, and how much it will cost. This helps to avoid misunderstandings and ensures that both parties are on the same page. Now let's touch briefly on the Fiverr messaging system. It's a handy tool that allows you to communicate directly with your clients. Use it wisely to keep your clients updated, to clarify doubts, and to ask for feedback. It's also a good place to show a bit of your personality, which can help in building rapport. In conclusion, communication is not just about exchanging information. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind the information. It's about empathy, clarity, and building trust. And in the world of freelancing, where face-to-face interactions are rare, it becomes even more significant. So, remember to communicate effectively and efficiently, and you'll be well on your way to forging long-lasting relationships with your clients. Effective communication is key to building long-lasting relationships with your clients on Fiverr. Delivering quality work on time is your gateway to positive reviews and repeat clients. In the vast ocean of freelancing, it's the quality of your work that allows you to stand out. It's not just about ticking off tasks on a list, but about delivering results that go beyond expectations. When you exceed your clients' expectations, you're not just delivering a service, you're creating an experience that they'll remember. And that memory is what earns you positive reviews and repeat clients. Meeting deadlines is another critical aspect of delivering quality work. In the world of online freelancing, time is often of the essence. Clients appreciate promptness, and meeting or even beating deadlines is a surefire way to win their trust. Remember, trust is a vital currency in online freelancing. Once you've gained it, you'll find that clients will be more likely to recommend you to others and come back to you for future projects. Now let's talk about reviews. Reviews are the lifeblood of your Fiverr profile. They're your report card, your reputation, and your marketing tool, all rolled into one. A positive review not only boosts your confidence, but also your visibility on the platform. It acts as a beacon, guiding potential clients to your profile. But remember, a good review isn't just about a star rating, it's about the feedback that accompanies it. This feedback provides valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. It's a compass that guides your professional growth. So, how do you get positive reviews? The answer is simple. Deliver quality work, meet your deadlines, and exceed your clients' expectations. Be proactive in your communication, transparent in your dealings, and committed to your craft. Remember, every job you take on is an opportunity to create a lasting impression, to build a relationship, and to establish your reputation. In the world of Fiverr, quality work and positive reviews can propel your freelance career to new heights. So, take every project seriously, give it your best, and watch your freelance career flourish. You're now equipped with the essentials to kickstart your journey on Fiverr. We've traversed the path from setting up an impressive profile to creating your first gig. Remember, your profile is your business card, while your gig is your product. So, make them shine. We've also dived into the art of communication with clients. Be prompt, professional, and patient. It's not just about getting the job done, but also about building lasting relationships. And let's not forget the importance of delivering quality work and earning stellar reviews. Your reputation on Fiverr is built on the back of your work and the feedback you receive. Strive for excellence, and the reviews will follow. As our final tip, remember to always stay adaptable. Learn from each experience, refine your approach, and keep your skills fresh. Embrace the opportunities Fiverr offers, and watch as your freelance career soars to new heights.